All set now, ready to race. Race number 7 here. Santana Park. And the race is on. Siopaw King, haha, pass to begin, followed by Pinas, Paraiso, Phantom Cookies, racing by Draldan, Cans Beirut, Wow Jassy, running down already inside 7th position, Fernando's entry, 8, number 1, Amazing Party, so lucky, Fine Bluff alongside, and racing already outside, Iun, Holy Nitro, and rounding the far turn, Siopaw King, haha, by about 3 lengths. Beirut is now running in second, Phantom Cookies racing third by Pinas, Paraiso, as they race the last 550. Siopaw King, haha, by about 2 lengths. Beirut is already outside, Phantom Cookie already outside, is Pinas, Paraiso. Siopaw King, haha, by a length and a half. Beirut already outside. Siopaw King, haha, is still the leader and nearing the finish line. Better go down and collect or is in the bag. Siopaw King, haha, Beirut, Pinas, Paraiso, Fine Bluff, iyon.